Good day mga idol, good day mga master, good day mga bossing, Dingdong TV. Nagpo-cover pala ako ng mga epic ride, chill ride, barkada ride, at syempre ang budol ride. Winter, spring, summer, fall, rain or shine, tara! Ahon tayo! Yun o! Hoy! Taga-video! Boss Piran! Boss MB! Alright!
Alright!
Almost here sa meet-up namin. So, ito na. Kasama si Boss Piran at si Boss MB. Mga first timer ito na titira ng Highwood Pass, Escalera Brothers.
Parang masyadong mababa.
Masyado. Dagdagan natin ng elevation. Gate to gate to gate to gate to gate to gate to gate. Alright! See you later!
Sabi ko, liga na. Sabi ko. Andaya.
Uy, wala pa si na Daniel?
Wala pa. Nauna kami.
Oh. Hello, morning.
Hindi na pangalan.
Marvin, Francis.
Oh. Boss Kegel. Hey. Boss.
Laglag.
Oy, total mix on 5.
Mix on 5. Hello, Dingdong TV. Dingdong TV. Paparada kami.
Sige, sige.
Kalahating lap.
Oh?
Iwan lahat. Saya-saya na to.
Oh, yun, mga boss idol. Galing yan sa race ha, kagagaling na yan sa race.
Last pack.
Oh.
Gate pa yan.
Oh, mag-gate to gate pa.
Wendell Ramos sila.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Kamusta? Hi Uno. How are you?
Jack.
Si Jack ba yan? June. Boss, Inspector John nagbabalik. Uy.
Jack.
Nahanap ka ni Eliana.
Gusto ko.
Happy ako and happy tayong lahat. Hello Migs. How did it go? Good. Nagkalaglagan. Vlog 11. Siya tayo mo. First play.
Drone shot ito ha, drone shot. Yun ang drone? Oo.
Oy, drone.
Human drone. Pasok.
Okay.
Yung iba kulay, pakikita.
So ito yung part sana na magkakaroon ng dance portion ng mga mamshi, ng mga padyakero sa pero pinigilan ng mga mister nila kasi baka umulan daw. So ayun hindi na natuloy. So ayun saka na lang ayun nagpicture na lang kami dito. Ay saya. Ay
Kami, dito ka. Uy!
Saya na ito.
Ayun.
Saya. Uy. Titigas ng ulo. Hello.
Titigas ng ulo.
Happy birthday.
Oh, pre. Late oh. Lodi Mau. Hi! Say hi to Ding Dong TV.
Hi, Ding Dong.
Hi, Dingo.
Yay!
Tito Bay. Tito Bay. Hi, Tito Bay.
Hi, Tito Bear.
Hello. Give me one fist bump. Give me one fist bump, Mama. You're late.
You're late.
Nice to see you, man. Good. Buti nakahuli ka.
Hi! Happy birthday! Hi mga mamshi! Ay, saya! Ang dami! Budol ito ah! Hoy, boss! Ayos! Emergency! Boss! Ayos yun! Alright! Out no more! Tuloy-tuloy ang continuous, walang tigilan non-stop!
Gusto ko! Ahon na! Gusto ko downhill lang. Silip dyan, silip. Kailangan natin ang lift na, Kenny.
Let's go! Sa go! Boss!
Dingo, you remember Cosman?
Oh yeah! Cosman, the rich guy! Cosman, how are you?
I'm doing well, you?
Say hi to Ding Dong TV.
Hello, hello. How's it going?
Ah,
Ding!
ang bato!
Dong! Ang bato! Gusto na mga Ding Dong
Nice to see you again, my
subscriber.
friend.
Good to see you.
Alright.
You're getting stronger and stronger now, I heard.
Oh,
Wow.
he has this bike.
Not as
Yeah.
strong as you guys.
Oh,
Mr. Endurance.
yeah,
How are you?
endurance.
Good, how are you guys?
Good.
Been waiting for a while? Like 2 hours.
2 hours.
I told him, go at the picnic site. No, he forgot like Filipino time, you know. This is not.
No, we were waiting it.
Cosman.
How are you?
Rap road.
No.
Di ba rap road?
Bro.
No loud.
Oy,
Go, go, go.
Mr. Pogi. Huhuy. So ito yung gate ng north approach. Gate ng north approach yan. Dami namin.
Dami natin, boss.
Ayan. Hi boss, welcome to Ding Dong TV. Thank you.
Oh, ingat. Kasi naka...
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Hey, Ding Dong!
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well, man.
Ah,
He has his road bike now, Ding Dong.
wow,
That's it. You shall see.
beautiful.
Watch.
Woo, yeah.
This is my beach bike.
Oh, wow. Mr. Smile.
Mr. Smile. I just went for a dentist yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my smile is more good.
Yan. Master Jobs.
You have lots of battery there, my friend.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Naman.
Long time, master.
Thank you. Boss Wendell.
Oh!
Uy, kasama ulit.
Kulat ako.
Ah, yan. Yan o, isa-isayin natin.
Wala ha?
Boss! TikTok TV!
It's me!
Okay, hit like and subscribe!
Dragon sa Ding
Okay,
Dong.
make some vibe! Hey!
Thank you, Ding Dong TV.
Yo!
Subscribe now. Subscribe now, pay later.
Subscribe na, pili. Boss Kiran!
Ding Dong TV.
Mr. Nice Guy!
Saya to. Yes, out of
Saya!
test, pati
Oy!
si Mama.
Ipasok eh!
Pasok ba?
Oo.
Next time, walang ride test. Picnic lang tayo.
Piknik lang. Yan, si Mr. Nice Guy. Ah, ito,
Sabi na ito, mababa.
Eko!
Sabi na ito? Oo.
Inspector John!
Si Mr. John, pakipot ka kahapon.
Oo nga eh!
Papilis ko na po dyan. Thank you, Mami.
Oh,
Mami, thank you. Thank you na.
Inspector Papilit! Buti na pa sa...
Sabi dyan, saan po yung North Gate? Ilang kilometers ba yun? Ako ba tanong ka ng tanong? Ay, nakadaan yun.
Yun yung guys, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. One of the best road dito sa Calgary, Alberta. Eh mga tropa, palusong no. Oh. The mountains. Ang sarap. So let's go, sabayan natin sila. Let's go na, Ding Dong TV. Saan ka
Kamusta?
ayos na ayos.
Tara tayo.
Nakakasaya ko kasi sumama si Inspector Jagiusi.
Siyempre, tayo si Mami.
Yan. Alam mo ba? Oo, Padyakeros, pinilit ito para sumabay lang.
Thank you.
Uy. Oh, ang daming nagra-ride, ang sarap. Nasa 5% kami diretso, 5%. Ang the best dito sa ride na to, ang ganda ng yan. At ang view, panalo. Itong akit namin mukhang perfect weather ito para sa akin. Kasi tuwing okay, maswelden. Tuwing ride kami dito, inuulan, ini-snow.
Winter spring, summer.
Winter, spring, summer, fall. Tara, ahon tayo.
Ako pala ang swerte mo.
Yun. Lucky Charm. Wendell Ramos. Ang galing ng Orbea. Inisan mo, dyan si Imbeo. Habulin tayo. Easy.
Wala pa dis.
Panis oh.
Ayos na, tara.
Ganun lang?
Oo.
Sige.
Ako lang tanggalin.
Grabe, lupit ng view. The best talaga. Highwood Pass. Nobody beats Highwood Pass. Ay, Boss Marvin oh. Speeding lang. Hoy. Ang sarap. Ngayon na, saglit lang. Wala pang 30 minutes oh. Ay, Boss Dennis.
Pagod na ako eh.
Ayos lang yan. Pang ano lang. Pag nangakit mo na to, boss. Marami na, no?
On my right,
Lagi ako south nga lang.
Mr. Endurance.
Anong experience dito? Mabigat?
Baby ride daw.
Kasi, tuloy-tuloy niya doon hanggang sa dulo. Wala na itong record.
nasa likod? Si John.
Wala, mahirap. Mahirap dito.
Boss Peran.
Grabe, oh.
Kasi mahaba.
Oo.
Pero,
Look at the view.
Oo, may recovery doon.
yeah.
Dito wala. Yan, kasama ko si Boss Dennis. Ang daming umakyat. Hi!
We'll see if we can.
Hi! Oy!
How long will it take us to go gate to gate to gate?
Oh, yan. What a nice view, grabe. Ang view yung
Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
habol dito, tsaka yung group ride namin, ang sarap, ang dami namin. Yan.
Hindi naman ano eh. Hindi naman race.
Oh,
Katuwaan lang.
enjoyment ito, enjoyment.
Katuwaan lang.
Talagang 100% pure enjoyment. Tsaka nature adventure. Yeah, all right.
Yes, Ding Dong TV, subscribe.
Yan. Si Bossing D.
Subscribe sa Ding Dong TV.
Ingat ha.
Utay, masyang ganiting to ngayon.
Yung mga down nila.
Down yung leader, nalalay lang.
Oh,
Di masyang ganiting to.
sige, sige. Boss, Ding Dong TV. Oy, subscribe. Oy, boss, Ding Dong TV. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, boss. Thank you mga boss. So ayan mga bossing, aakyat namin ng summit ng walang kahirap-hirap. Ang sarap ng weather at ang sarap ng ride na ito. Highwood Pass. So ito na, palusong na kami. Alright, Ding Dong TV. Tuloy-tuloy ang continuous, walang tigil na non-stop. Saan ka pa? Dito ka na. Gusto ko. Happy ko.
Okay guys! Okay guys!
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Ano ba yan?
Wow.
Magaling sa box.
Yung lighter! Malaki pa na niya eh!
Ang ganda ng cake nyo ay yung labas sa box.
Walang future! Hindi ako wala ata ng beauty. Ito kaya yung lighter? Halika natin! Ate Jane, dito ka na! Ate, dito ka sa gitna! Sino gusto lang ng dae? Ay ako! Uy, alam ka naman ito! Kailangan magkanin kayo! May cake pang isa! Berna! Hoy, yung mo to! Dumpling Lord!
Happy birthday ha! Pinakabasaya!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Mabilis! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sama! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oy, sama. Wala pa eh. Blow. Happy birthday to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
3. Woo!
Party.
What's my wish?
Party.
Good game. May pang ano ka?
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Oy, sama. Wala pa eh. Blow. Happy birthday to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
3. Woo!
Party.
What's my wish?
Party.
Good game. May pang ano ka?
Sa Dingdong TV, siyempre, ikaw ang bida.